NVTS stock analysis and NVTS stock prediction. What I'll be breaking in this brief and short 1 minute video is my exact play with Navitas Semiconductor stock. It's in this correction phase, which is I actually get very excited about because I'm obviously looking to double down on this. Having done well over 42,000 videos myself, it's all documented and no one else has done it in this space. So especially with NVTS, pulling back when it was $5, let's look at this video. Here's when I called it out. This is where it all began. But for you, bro, it never began. Yeah, it was like 4 weeks ago. 508. And then we reached like a $9 level, which almost was like 100% increase. But in order for me to be bullish and buy this particular thing, the price must give me a double break confirmation. And if that's not the case, then I guess I don't like this at all. I haven't made videos on this, like 30 results in the disc. But yeah, if you want to get to those 5-10K months, you want a proven process and formula to follow, click the first link in the description. There's like 1,200 people that tried it, all 5-star reviews, and it's risk-free.